Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a application that I developed in React.js which allows you to actually convert your markdown into PDF which with a nice little editor. So you can see we are running it on localhost 5173. So this is your markdown. So whatever markdown that you write, it will be previewed with live preview, and we have the option to export this as a PDF. So if I make some changes right here, we'll see it will automatically reflect on the right hand side, and you can see that. So once you let me delete some things from here and just show you. So if I simply click this button, export as PDF, you will see the markdown that we created will be converted to the PDF. So this is a simple React project which directly runs in the browser. You see we're running it, no server-side code is involved. You whatever your markdown is, you simply write it, that it will be automatically be live previewed. You see that it's a complete editor. You can see that we can edit and then export. So the link is guys given in the description of this project. If you need to purchase it, the link is given. After purchasing it, you will get the zip file. You just need to extract the zip file which will contain this full directory structure. And for building this, we are using quite a number of third-party libraries. First of all, we are using react-markdown, which is a third-party package for working with markdown files in React. And then we are also using JS-PDF and HTML to Canvas library as well. So if you don't know about these libraries, if you just write React Markdown, it's a package for React for rendering the markdown in the browser. It's a very popular package, almost 4 million downloads. So we are using this. Then we are also using JS-PDF module, which is used to create PDF files right in the browser itself. 2 million weekly downloads. And then we are also using HTML to Canvas, which is a screenshot library for taking screenshots of DOM elements, almost 3 million weekly downloads. So this is actually third-party packages. So once you get the source code, you will be able to modify the source code as well. So each component, if you see, it's coded inside TypeScript. So everything you can see. If you are a student or college going student, this will be a nice little project for you to see how I developed this project using these third-party open source packages. So once you purchase it, just go to the module, just open this file npmi to install the node.js modules, and then just run this npm run dev. So this will start the development server at localhost 5173. So your project will start. And now for deployment purpose, npm run build command is there, so it will create a dist folder to actually, if you want to deploy this application. So this is actually the build command is simple. Just run the build command to deploy this application to your shared hosting or any domain name that you want to. So this is actually application guide. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image, and I will be seeing you in the next video.